Hey everyone, good morning.
Good morning.
Right, I'm still trying to wake myself up. I'm Tim from WebUI, and we're building an open, extensible, and user-friendly AI interface. This initiative started off as a side project of mine because at the time of the creation, we had the exact opposite. We only had platforms that were closed, not extensible, and not so user-friendly. And those are the main three areas for improvements I've identified and addressed within our project. So what does that all mean? Open, extensible, and user-friendly. As for the open aspect, obviously it's an open source project, so it's self-hostable, so you can access, modify, and control OpenWebUI however you like. And it operates entirely offline as well, which is perfect for remote areas, air-gapped environments like handling confidential data, or even future Mars colonies. And another point I really want to raise here is you really own what you create, and you can seamlessly export data you create on our platform for model fine-tuning or any of the downstream tasks, which we'll get to during our live demo. As for the extensible aspect, OpenWebUI has a plugin support, which you can write in pure Python, import libraries, and customize tinkering any of the core code. And we also have a community platform built around and for OpenWebUI. So our users can share their plugins, dataset, or model configurations. Last but not least, there's also the user-friendly aspect. And none of these features would matter if it was super complex to set it up. So yeah, you can just install WebUI with just a simple one line of command, pip or docker install command. It's built for organizational use cases, so it comes with multi-account permission support by default, which will let you serve entire teams, organizations, and even communities. And so was our thesis on these three areas for improvement correct? Mic drop. The results speak for themselves. We have over 10 million downloads on GitHub. Around 50K stars, we literally have 49.9K stars right now. So I really appreciate if you guys just go on our repo and start our repo. And more than 100K community platform users. And we're also used by developers at all of these institutions, which I've personally verified, and many, many more all across the globe. And we're not just stopping here with the interface. We want to make AI models even more useful and accessible for everyone, building on top of our extensive user base. And what would that mean in practice? Imagine a world where we all have the capability to train and reproduce state-of-the-art AI models like O1 reasoning models from scratch, using high quality and curated data. And one of the biggest challenges in creating these AI models has been, and still is, the substantial need for high quality data, and which is both costly and time-consuming to gather and curate. You could be using synthetic data set generation pipeline like ultra feedback, but that'd be pretty much model distillation in my opinion, and we won't be able to inject new knowledge into these AI models, and we'll just inherit the distribution of these teacher models and the biases and limitations along with it. And our mission is to contribute to this vision by building the best AI interface and the ecosystem surrounding it, and crowdsource created datasets from our community of users. And yeah, the live demo. Before we get to the live demo, I'll first show you how OpenWebUI is being extended by our community members. So this is a Reddit post that's been posted 4 days ago. As you can see here, we have tools, which extends the functionality of LLMs, which is just function calling. We have archive search. We have Hugging Face image generator. We have function pipe, which is an encapsulation of models. And we have planner agent. We have archive search, Monte Carlo tree search pipe. It's a very lengthy name. Multi-modal conversations. And yeah, prompt enhancer for filters. And as for the installation process, it's pretty simple. You just copy and paste this in. Click this. You pull up your terminal. And you paste it in. And this is how you install, and that's it. And you can just have OpenWebUI on your server running. And let's get to the actual interface. This is the interface part. I'll show you how you can actually have multiple models and chat with them at the same time. Let's go with GPT-4o, because that's the cheapest one. And then, yeah, tell me a random fact about the Roman Empire. Fun fact about the empire. And then the Quen 2.5 3D model is actually running off of my computer, and then the GPT-4o1 is obviously running on wherever, I'm not sure. And then you can actually leave a thumbs up and thumbs down directly. And then you can leave a 1 to 10 scale rating as well, and then you can just save this. And what this actually leads to is you can go to the admin panel and evaluation. And yeah, you can have your own leaderboard for all of your LLM models, which is what you have with like Chat Arena, but like your personal leaderboard, if that makes sense. And this also extends to like fine-tuning as well. You can actually easily export all of that data using this, or don't use this, don't copy and paste this in, but you can actually use this link to easily import all of your feedback and then start fine-tuning, and it works. How will we get there? There's no shortcuts or anything, and we'll just keep on shipping. And I personally said this earlier, like, I really want to just do everything from providing the best AI interface to creating the best AI models ourselves as well for the various aspects of the interface, because I'd very much like to use them myself as well. And yeah, I'd like to mention it's just not me, and we have around like 300 contributors all over the world and amazing sponsors that directly fund the development of Open WebUI. And yeah, all that was to say, open source AI will win, and we're hoping to play a big role in that mission. We're not looking to raise or anything right now, but we're seeking right partners who can reach us the next level. And we're also seeking collaboration with like research lab, at industry or university that could benefit from like real life usage data for their evaluation research or anything AI related in general and more. And yeah, feel free to reach out anytime. I'm super active on Discord and would love to chat with every single one of you who's interested in collaborating. Thanks.